Students, good morning to all. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about our permanent simple tissue, that was sclerenchyma. In this lecture, we will discuss about complex, compound, permanent tissue. It can be termed as complex permanent tissue or compound permanent tissue. Okay, like plant tissues are characterized into two types, simple and complex. Simple you have already discussed, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Today we will proceed about complex compound permanent tissue. Complex and compound name से ही clear है, that is complex structure and functions they perform, that's why they are termed as complex permanent tissues. Okay students, next, features consist of more than one type of cell. Why they are termed as complex? Because simple tissues were made up of only one type of cells, but here more than one type of cells forming complex permanent tissues. Cells आपस में coordinate करते हैं to perform common function, but here वहाँ पर क्या था, cells are of same type performing same function, but here this is different, this is different, this is different, this is different, this is different. अलग अलग type के cells हैं, but they are performing same function. Okay, so as simple permanent tissue have types, similarly complex permanent tissues have two types or categories, xylem and phloem. Xylem or phloem or wood or bast. Okay, xylem and phloem, these are the complex permanent tissue. Xylem we have already discussed in the previous lecture. We have discussed about the classification of plant tissues. Xylem helps in the transport of water and minerals, and phloem for the transport of food, okay, across the plant. Okay, types of cells in the xylem. हमने ऊपर पढ़ा more than one type of cell, तो of course xylem के types of cells होंगे, ठीक है, that's why it is complex permanent tissue. Tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma. 4 types of cells in xylem. First 3 are dead cells and last one is living. So we can call it maximum cells of xylem are dead. ज़्यादातर cells कैसे होते हैं? Dead होते हैं. बस one is living. Okay, next phloem type of cells. Again 4 type of cells, that is sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. So here we will discuss like parenchyma and fibers are common in both, so you have to learn these two different. Fibers, parenchyma, these are similar, but in case of phloem the case is reverse. These 3 are living cells and last one is dead. Understand or not? In xylem 3 were dead, 1 living. In case of phloem 3 are dead and 3 are living and 1 is dead. So most of the cells of phloem are living and only 1 fiber are dead. Okay, next we will proceed in the next lecture. Thank you students.